And the Festival of Renovation continues today with something a little bit special and a little bit different. What I wanted to share with you today was the Crazy Lady auction technique. Now, I said a little bit about this yesterday, and it is actually a quick little excerpt from the Ultimate Guide to Renovation course. But it's so much fun, and so many people absolutely love this whole module, and this is just a little taste for you. So I hope you enjoy it. Please sit back and have a bit of a giggle. So let's get on to bidding at auction. Auctions are designed to create a high pressure environment in which people will pay over their previously set limit. They are a piece of street high tempo theatre that often sees people swept up in the moment, emotionally competing to be the highest bidder. Auctioneers are very skilled at generating this environment. For them, it's all about controlling the speed of the auction and the amount by which the price goes up. Okay, let's have a look at the Crazy Lady technique. This is one of my favourite techniques, the Crazy Lady, and this is told to me by mortgage broker and property coach Medine Simmons. The Crazy Lady technique involves dressing in a silly looking frilly dress with a bow on the hair and loudly bumbling the way through the auction process. Each bid is exclaimed loudly in an extremely enthusiastic manner. The Crazy Lady then proceeds to bid against herself. Why? Because she's crazy. This is certainly a disruptor of the flow. It gets a few laughs and the auction seriousness is almost reduced to a sideshow. This is how it might go. Let's say the bidding is currently at $310,000 and our Crazy Lady's reserve is $381,500. Note the limit is rarely a round number, just so you can always get in an extra bid. Now, the Crazy Lady enthusiastically throws out a bid of $330,000, a jump of $20,000 when the auctioneer was calling for tens. After a brief pause, but before any other bids have come forward, she enthusiastically proposes another bid. $340,000, she says. The auctioneer politely informs her that she's already the highest bidder and thanks her for the enthusiasm. Someone else places a bid of $345,000. She immediately springs into life with a $360,000. The auctioneer asks for rises on $360,000. They're not going to knock that back. Crazy Lady is back with $370,000. By this stage, the flow of the auction is fully disrupted, and even the people around Crazy Lady are telling her that she shouldn't be bidding against herself. They may even give advice telling her she only needs to go up in increments of $5,000. Like the high opening bid method, this technique relies on knowing exactly what the property is worth to you, because you may be potentially paying $10,000 or more than the closest bidder. So be creative. Please send me news of your result and accompanying photos to jane@yourpropertysuccess.com.au. Now, just like all the other auction techniques described in this section, the Crazy Lady is designed to disrupt the flow of the auction and take the heat out of people's budget-busting decisions in the heat of the competition.